this video, we will see how to fix EcoSmart tankless water heater not heating, flow thermostat and reset fix. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the water heater is receiving power and check your home circuit breaker and reset any tripped breaker. If your model has a power switch, make sure it is turned on. Confirm the display light up and does not show an error code. Second one is increase the water flow. Turn on the hot water fully at one faucet and remove and clear the faucet, aerator or shower head if water flow is weak. Make sure all water shut off valve are fully open. Test the hot water again to see if the heater activate. Third one is check the temperature setting. Press the temperature adjustment button on the unit, then set the desired temperature. Save the setting if required by the model. Turn on a hot water tap and check if the water heats properly. Fourth one is perform a power reset. Turn off the water heater at the circuit breaker, then wait for about 5 minutes. Turn the breaker back on and open a hot water bucket and check if the heater start heating. Fifth one is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the power and close the water supply valve, then remove the inlet filter screen. Rinse away dirt and debris with clean water. Reinstall the filter, restore the water supply and turn the power back on. Thanks for watching.